Lori, shout out. Watching from Saudi. Galing ako sa Polo Owa, kuya. Pero kailangan daw online kasi nga yung contract ko hindi pa expired. Thank you. Ano ginawa mo sa Polo? Dapat nga kukuha ako ng OEC, yung Overseas Employment Certificate. Kaso hindi na kailangan. So good because I don't pay anything. Just make online. Pwede sa Pilipinas ako mag-online. Bakasyon ka. Yes. After how days? 5 days more. Sana all bakasyon. Mimi Bear, hello. Mega shoutout sa lahat. Mimi Bear, thank you. We are close to the house. Wala ka pa 2 years? No! 8 months pa ako. Well, Max. Hello, sis. Cooking with Sappy, okay. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Hi. I'm good. Even I'm sick, I'm good. Ay, sana all. Bakasyon agad. Yeah. Francis Louis J. Channel. Hello. Sana all bakasyon lang pera eh. Hello, Walmax. Hi, Kuya Aw. Nandito ako sa sasakyan. The car. Let's see. Sir Larry. Hello. We are very close to the house. Cooking with Sappy, how are you? I was cooking in the house and I live. I was wearing my clothes and then after you go after 1 hour. And then I'm grilled the meat. I grilled meat quickly. One minute more. But you make live with data too much. Your 10 real is just 10 minutes.
Finish?
Yeah, it will be finished 10 minutes only.